Today we're going to make a special roll called the Elvis roll. For this roll we will need a few ingredients. We're going to need 1 medium-sized scallop, some snow crab salad, 2 pieces of tempura shrimp, a small amount of tobiko. We will also need a sesame mayonnaise sauce, as well as a spicy sesame mayonnaise sauce. For this roll, instead of nori, we're going to be using a pink-colored soy wrap. So we'll start off by getting our hands a little bit wet so the sushi rice does not stick to them, and grab about 140 to 150 grams of sushi rice and lightly pack it into a ball. Then spread the rice across the soy wrap, carrying to cover the surface entirely. Once we have the rice evenly distributed on the soy wrap, we're going to flip it over and add the ingredients we want inside of the roll on the bare soy wrap side, directly across the center, lengthwise. Today we'll be using shrimp tempura inside of this roll. When placing the shrimp inside of the roll, we want to leave the shrimp tails hanging off of the soy wrap and pointing down. This way, it will be more presentable when we're finished with the roll. Now we're ready to wrap up this sushi roll. Take the side closest to us and wrap the soy wrap tight over the ingredients and continue to wrap until the far edge of the soy wrap is at the bottom of the roll. If we see too many gaps in the rice, we can just fill them. Now it's time to cut the scallop to put on top of this roll. First, we're going to slice it directly in half. Then we'll take both of these pieces and cut them directly in half as well. This will leave us with 4 equal pieces. We'll take these 4 pieces and spread them out across the top of the roll before we cover it with plastic wrap and press with our makisu to shape and form the roll. When pressing the roll with the makisu, care not to press too hard. We want to press just enough to shape and hold the roll together, but not too much. We don't want to mash the rice grains. Once we press the roll with the makisu, it is time to cut. We'll start by cutting it directly in half. Cut this half into 4 equal pieces, and then we'll repeat the process for the other half of the roll. This will leave us with 8 equal pieces, and that's what we're aiming for. After we cut the roll, it's time to plate and sauce. To plate this roll, we're going to halfway overlap the pieces and plate them from corner to corner. If you find a piece where you have the end of the shrimp and it's not clean cut and it doesn't look so nice, we can turn this piece around so that the clean cut side faces the customer. Once we have the roll plated, it's time to sauce. We're going to take both our mayo sauces, and with one mayo sauce, we're going to make zigzag lines across the top of the roll in one direction. And with our other mayo sauce, we're going to make zigzag lines in the opposite direction. After we sauce the roll, we're going to place a small amount of snow crab on top of each piece. Once we have placed a small amount of snow crab on top of each piece, we can move on to the tobiko. We will place a small amount of tobiko on top of each bit of snow crab. Once all the tobiko is placed, this roll is complete and ready to be served. Here is our completed Elvis roll.